Bingx Elite Trader Program. Free membership and up to $50,000 in trading funds. Yo, Ryan here. If you're a trader who's looking to take their game to the next level, then you gotta check out the Bingx Elite Trader Program. This bad boy is straight up fire with a free membership and the chance to score up to $50,000 in trading funds. That's right, folks, you can literally trade with the big boys without putting your own dough on the line. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can this be for real? Well, let me break it down for you. Bingx is a cryptocurrency exchange that's on a mission to empower traders like you and me. They've got this dope elite trader program that's designed to help us hone our skills and take our trading to the next level. Here's the deal. When you sign up for the Bingx Elite Trader Program using the referral code 911, you'll get a free membership and access to a ton of freaking awesome perks. We're talking about things like personalized training, one-on-one coaching, and a killer trading simulator where you can test your skills without risking your hard-earned cash. But the real kicker is the up to $50,000 in trading funds. That's right, folks, Bingx will literally give you up to 50 grand to trade with. All you gotta do is prove your chops and show 'em that you've got what it takes to be an elite trader. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why the heck would Bingx do this? Well, it's simple, my dudes. They want to invest in the future of trading, and they know that the best way to do that is to support traders like you and me. They're playing the long game, and they're willing to put their money where their mouth is. So, if you're ready to take your trading to the next level and get your hands on some free cash to play with, then you gotta check out the Bingx Elite Trader Program. Just remember to use the referral code 911 when you sign up, and you're good to go. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Ryan, how do I know this is legit? Well, let me tell you, I've done my research, and Bingx is the real deal. They're a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that's been around for a while, and they've got a track record of supporting traders and helping them succeed. And let me tell you, the Elite Trader Program is no joke. I've been a part of it for a while now, and it's honestly been a game changer for me. I've learned so much, and I've been able to take my trading to new heights. And the best part, I've been able to do it all with Bingx's money, not my own. So, if you're ready to take your trading to the next level and get your hands on some free cash to play with, then you gotta check out the Bingx Elite Trader Program. Just remember to use the referral code 911 when you sign up, and you're good to go. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Ryan, what if I'm not an elite trader? Well, let me tell you, that's not a problem. The Bingx Elite Trader Program is designed to help traders of all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, they've got something for you. And let me tell you, the training and coaching that they provide is absolutely top-notch. They've got a team of experienced traders who are dedicated to helping you succeed. They'll work with you one-on-one to identify your strengths and weaknesses, and they'll help you develop a trading strategy that's tailored to your unique needs. But the real beauty of the Bingx Elite Trader Program is the trading simulator. This thing is like a freaking video game, but with real-world stakes. You can test out your strategies, try out new trading techniques, and get a feel for the market without risking a single penny of your own money. And let me tell you, the thrill of trading with someone else's money is like nothing else. It's like playing a high-stakes game of poker, but with a safety net. You can take risks, try new things, and really push the envelope without worrying about losing your shirt. And the best part, if you prove that you've got what it takes, Bingx will reward you with up to $50,000 in trading funds. That's like hitting the jackpot, my dudes. Just imagine what you could do with that kind of capital. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Ryan, what if I mess up? Well, let me tell you, that's not a problem either. The Bingx Elite Trader Program is designed to support you every step of the way. They've got a team of experienced traders who are always on hand to provide guidance and support. And let me tell you, the community that you'll be a part of is like nothing else. These are traders who are passionate about what they do, and they're always eager to share their knowledge and experience with others. It's like a freaking family, and you'll be right in the thick of it. So, if you're ready to take your trading to the next level and get your hands on some free cash to play with, then you gotta check out the Bingx Elite Trader Program. Just remember to use the referral code 911 when you sign up, and you're good to go. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Ryan, how do I sign up? Well, it's easy, my dudes. Just head over to the Bingx website and look for the Elite Trader Program. You'll need to fill out a short application, but don't worry, it's super straightforward. And let me tell you, the process is quick and easy. I remember when I signed up, it took me like 10 minutes tops. And once you're in, you'll have access to all the amazing perks that the program has to offer. So, what are you waiting for, my dudes? The Bingx Elite Trader program is like a gold mine for traders, and you don't want to miss out. Just remember to use the referral code 911 when you sign up, and you're good to go. And remember, all the correct links and contacts are under this video as well as in the attached comment. So be sure to check those out and get started on your journey to becoming an elite trader. Alright, that's it from me, my dudes. I hope you've enjoyed this little breakdown of the Bingx Elite Trader program, and I can't wait to see you on the other side. Go get 'em, and don't forget to use that referral code 911.